Hello everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I'm going to teach you about battery, what is battery and where do we use them. Basically, battery is like a small box of electricity which stores electricity inside it. Basically, inside of battery, chemicals are there. There are different chemicals like different batteries, lithium ion battery, nickel ion battery, sodium ion battery, or alkaline battery according to what chemicals are inside that battery. When we connect both terminals of that battery, chemical reaction happens, and because of that chemical reaction, electricity is produced. Okay, so batteries always have two terminals, like positive and negative. Always upside, you can see this like bulb. Always this is the positive terminal, and downside will be flat. That is called as negative terminal. And always when we connect wire from positive to negative, our battery will start working. That is, electricity always flow from positive side to the negative side of supplying current to whatever component we will keep. This is the basic symbol for our battery. Bigger sign will be positive, smaller sign will be negative. Now there comes different types of battery like lithium polymer, coin cell, lead acid, lithium ion, nickel cadmium, lithium iron phosphate, button cell, alkaline batteries. Now, lithium polymer are batteries that we use in our power bank or in our earphone also it will be used, or especially in our mobile phone we use that battery. Then coin cell are used in our watches, what we wear wristwatch. Lead acid battery are used in our vehicles. Lithium ion are used in electric vehicles. Nickel cadmium are battery that we use on day-to-day life. Lithium iron phosphate are battery packed where space is less where we use that battery. Button cell are also used in our watches and other thing. Alkaline batteries are also called as rechargeable battery. We can use it in also our camera or other thing. Some batteries are chargeable and some batteries are rechargeable. Batteries have predefined storage inside it. Like we can say it has something capacity like 2500, 3000, something like that. So it can run only for some days. Like you can say if you will see many times your remote battery will be there and suddenly your remote will stop working. So that time what will happen? What we always do, we will change that cell that will be inside. That is battery. Why it happens? Because it has limited capacity and that battery capacity get over. So after some day we will have to throw that battery. It is not reusable. On the contrary, rechargeable battery are like that we can reuse again and again for many years. It also has some capacity, but we can reuse them many times. We can charge it, we can use it again, it will discharge again, we can charge it again, we can reuse it. Basically, batteries are important component in our electronics because every electronic component need a power source. So battery or cell is the component through which we can provide supply. Okay, and always connect positive of the battery to the positive side of the component, negative of the battery to the negative side or ground of the component. And always choose battery according to the specified voltage of the component. Battery come in any variant like 5 volt, 9 volt, 1.5 volt cell. According to our requirement, we have to use battery. Many times is our requirement is less and we don't have that battery. So many techniques are there to decrease voltage, like we can use resistor to decrease voltage or voltage decreasing circuit are there. So we can use that to decrease the value of our voltage. Okay. Now let's come on summary of today lecture. Today what I teach you what is battery. So battery is basically like a storehouse of electricity. It supply electricity to the all the component. Inside of battery chemical are there. When we connect both terminals of the battery, chemical reactions happen and electricity is produced. Electricity always transform from positive side to the negative side. And this is how our battery look. Upside this bulk one will be positive terminal, down one flat side will be there, that will be negative terminal. This is the basic symbol for our battery, and these are all different batteries and where we use them. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.